Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo Pod Air, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. Now to get started, you will want to open up Settings and cancel this. From here, navigate into About Device, tap on your storage, and when you swipe down you will see your SD card. You can select it, and from here we can now select Format SD card at the bottom. It does give us a notification that formatting removes everything from it, so if you have anything on your card that you would like to keep, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already done this or you simply don't want to, click on Format. This will begin formatting your card and only takes a couple seconds to finish up, and should be right about done. There we go. And that's it. The card is now formatted and good to go again. So here we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.